Today marks the first school improvement project under Unite U46 in Streamwood, and it's exciting to envision Glenbrook's transformation into a modern learning environment.
The updates that we are making here at Glenbrook are a direct result of our community's shared vision to provide our students with equitable, accessible, and modern learning spaces.
Glenbrook was one of our schools that was designed in the early 1970s when this open concept was sort of the popular design of schools at the time. As you see, though, it's created a lot of challenges for us. You've got the media center here in the middle with classrooms sort of distributed and almost like stacked around the media center. But that means in a lot of cases there's no hallways and you're walking through one classroom to get to another, which obviously creates challenges, disruptions, safety, security, circulation issues. There's lots of rooms with no natural light. So there's a lot of problems that we're trying to fix here.
Over the next year and a half, Glenbrook will undergo 35,000 square feet of interior renovations and approximately 14,000 square foot addition. The end result will be a bright, modern learning space. We are so proud to see this work come to life, and we are so very grateful for the community's support every step of the way.
So this project, with an estimated cost of approximately $30 million, is a significant investment by U46 in Glenbrook Elementary and in Streamwood. It'll produce new instructional and collaboration spaces that will foster deeper student engagement, provides a modern and secure vestibule at the front door, which will enhance the visitor welcoming process and ensure a safe and streamlined process for our front office staff. We're also going to have updates to the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems to enhance the comfort, energy efficiency, and sustainability. So we'll be doing geothermal energy here, which is very exciting. A new interior courtyard will bring natural light into the building and provide outdoor learning spaces. The school will have dedicated preschool classrooms and a gross motor play area, which if you haven't seen it so far is pretty spectacular, I must say. So that will increase access and opportunities for our early learners in this neighborhood and in the larger community.
At Glenbrook, our goal has always been to create a safe, welcoming environment where all students, families, and employees can learn and grow together. These improvements will allow us to continue to fulfilling that mission for generations to come.
We do have the opportunity to use Hanover Countryside Elementary, which will be retired as a U46 school, as a transition space for Glenbrook students and employees next year. This plan will ensure a safe and stable instructional environment for students by removing them from the disruptions and congestion of active on-site construction. In August of 2027, we'll be very excited then to welcome students and staff back to the new Glenbrook so they can enjoy all of the features and amenities of the newly renovated building.
I know that the move to another building will require flexibility, patience, and teamwork from all of us, but we will remain together as one Glenbrook family throughout this process. I have no doubt that the journey will have been well worth it.
While the ceremonial turning of dirt is symbolic, today's groundbreaking represents something very real, the result of thoughtful planning, community trust, and a shared commitment to equity and opportunity. This is not just construction, this is progress in action.